Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this icy blue cold look, and yeah, I just really wanted to do something different and play a bit with color. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got to this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm using my Create Your Own Foundation CYO liquid foundation, and I'm applying that where you'd normally apply your highlighting concealer. But it doesn't make much of a difference because you're gonna spread out the product evenly on your face. So yeah. Next up, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I think it's matte foundation, and I'm just going to use in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm going to use this where I'd normally put my darkest shade of concealer to contour my face. Okay, next up, I did my eyebrows off camera, as well as yeah, that's all I did off camera. And you guys know what I use for my eyebrows, so like yes. So if you don't know what I use for my eyebrows, please watch my previous makeup tutorial so you know, girl, so you can know and stay. Oh god, guys, I don't even know what I'm saying actually. So anyways, I put, oh my god, so I put the lighter shade of concealer under my eyes, as well as where I usually also highlight my face, because I do like the light, you know, under eye look. Now I'm applying my my setting powder from LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade Banana, which I mixed with my signature setting powder. Next up, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Pressed powder in the shade Chestnut, and I'm basically setting my foundation. I don't know what, but obviously I didn't put on concealer on, so I'm just defining my contour. Let's just say defining my contour. I feel like I'm so loud, like what? Anyways, I did not let the setting powder to like bake or sit for a long time, so yeah. Okay, so I only realized after filming that I did not remove my setting powder as well as I thought I did. But anyways, I applied my lighter shade of concealer on my eyelids because I want my eyeshadow to pop, honey. Because I'm going to be using light blue colors as well as dark, and I want them to pop. Okay, so I'm going to be using this palette from Modern Dolls. I ain't sure about the number or the name of the palette, but I will definitely write it down on the description box below. So all you guys want to do is actually blend that eyeshadow, because you want it looking, I don't know, like where you from, like what is this life, you know what I mean? When I did this look, guys, I was not even sure of what my life was. Like, I did not know what I'm doing. Well, I had an idea that I wanted a very icy blue eyeshadow look, but honestly speaking, I really didn't know what I was doing, like where the look was gonna go, if the blue is actually gonna blend as well as I wanted it to. Like, it's a whole lot. So I'm using the dark blue on the outer corners of my eyes or eyelids. Anyways, there. Just so it can add a bit of zats. Okay, so next up I'm using the very same light concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. Well, I'm not really, I'm half cutting my crease. I'm half cutting my crease because it's a look. Ooh. Okay, that's done and does it. Now I'm going to be using my Wet and Wild palette. I do not know the name of this palette. I will write it down in the description box, guys. You know, I got yous. Yes, and I'm using the white color. The white, why am I saying white color? The white eyeshadow shade on my cut crease. Yes, and I did not spray my brush because I don't know, it just feel like it just doesn't work for me. Like, it doesn't work. Anyways, now I'm going to use the dark blue shade again, just to make sure that it's smooth and evenly distributed along my eyelid, as well as I do not want any harsh, I don't know what we call them, but anyways, now my eyelashes are on, honey. Those are eyelid lashes in number 1117, and I did the cat eye whole situation. I don't think they look the same though, but we're gonna leave that. We're gonna act like we don't see that shit. Okay, guys, we're gonna act like we don't see nothing. Right. So for my lips, okay, I have a purple lipstick on. I think it's a purple blue, a dark purple bluish. I do not know the name. I do not know the name of the lipstick, guys. It came off. It was on the actual lippy. So like that's why I just did it off camera, because like wouldn't be any
yeah, you guys, so this was the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, as well as please comment below your thoughts about the look, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, love you. See you guys on my next video.